Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. The markets are actually looking to recover a bit after those big losses that we suffered last week. The Dow lost more than 5.6% last week. S&P lost nearly 6%. The Nasdaq lost 6.5%. As a matter of fact, let's take a bigger look at the S&P. You can see here's the 50, 100, 200-day moving averages. It is right there, right below the 200-day moving average. Thankfully, we're going to be getting a bit of a bounce, and hopefully that's going to stick. Futures are looking up. The Dow is looking to open 1.4% higher. S&P futures are up 1.45%, and the Nasdaq is up 1.8%. Now, the reason for the turnaround? Well, the same thing that brought it down last week, tariffs and trade wars. When President Trump announced tariffs on $50 billion worth of Chinese goods, the markets tanked. But over the weekend, it was reported that the U.S. and China have started negotiations to expand U.S. companies' access to Chinese markets. And Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin may even travel to Beijing to further those talks. That was actually encouraging to investors, not only here but overseas as well. The Shanghai Composite did close lower, just 0.6%, but the Hang Seng and Nikkei both closed 0.8 and 0.7% higher, respectively. In Europe, the FTSE, DAX, and CAC are all up about 0.5% with just a couple of hours left to go. Now, there are no major financial reports coming out today, but tomorrow we're going to take another look at the housing market with the Case-Shiller Home Price Index and a Consumer Confidence Survey. In the meantime, I'm Mike O'Neill. Thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube page, check out our past reports at realinvestmentnews.com. Once again, I'm Mike O'Neill, and I'll see you again after the opening bell.